Hey you guys, my name is Cherri and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. As you guys can see, I am super festive today because we are going to be making holiday treats. I found this holiday treat idea on Pinterest and I was just like, you know what? Let's go for it. This will be the perfect snack for like holiday movie nights. Maybe you're having like a small family get together, or maybe you just have a sweet tooth. Whatever the case may be, you are going to love this snack. It only takes 4 ingredients, which include Ritz crackers. The recipe that I found on Pinterest, they actually used pretzels, but I really didn't want pretzels, so I just went with the whole wheat Ritz crackers. You're going to also need a pack of Hershey Kiss. You can get the cute striped ones or you can get the plain chocolate. The ones I picked up are the sugar cookie ones. I'm excited about trying these. You're also going to need some M&ms. If you're not an M&M fan, maybe you're a Skittle fan, it's up to you. You're also going to need a cooking spray, so I have the 365 avocado oil, and of course you need a big pan. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is spray your bake sheet with a nice layer of cooking spray. Then you're going to lay out your crackers or your pretzels, whichever you choose. I'm only going to do rows of 3 because even though I have a sweet tooth, I really don't want to eat too many of these. So we're gonna do rows of 3. Ooh, one of my crackers broke. I think I'll do one more row. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, did I mention that you're also going to need an oven? Please preheat your oven to 350, okay? 350 degrees. The next thing you're going to do is take your Hershey Kisses. You're going to open them up and you're going to place them on top of each cracker. Next, you're going to put the pan in the oven for 5 minutes. While the pan is still hot, you're going to take your M&ms and place it directly on top of the chocolates. Once you're done placing the M&ms on top of the chocolates, definitely let them cool and then they're ready to eat. Also, if you want to make it a little bit more festive, you can plate them in a really cute way, add some extra Hershey Kisses, add some more M&ms, and there you go. You have a cute little holiday treat. So easy to make, and as always, you know I want to try it. So let's try one. I want the red one. Good. Ooh, the sugar cookie. The sugar cookie kisses are so good. Tastes like a sugar cookie. And they're still a little warm, so the warmth of the chocolate is just like perfection. These are really good and they were super easy to make, so I think you guys should try it out too. Bring some festiveness to your household, okay? So that is the end of today's video, Vlogmas Day 13. Oh my gosh, is it 12 days left until Christmas? Wow, we have been doing this for 13 days straight. We are almost at the end and I'm so excited about the next few videos that I have planned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.